Cheerleaders, we got some money for you, boy. Right? Now what I'm going to say, children nearly for 3 months, the crowd of the Sunday. We're not singing nearly 4 months, pick your phone. Now yes, bravo, I'm a cheerleader. What I mean, so I'm just glad. When I see my friend, I'm a little bit kind of worried. We don't know the thing because I ain't got any of that. I feel like my friend. Yeah. I'm Mr. Foxy, I'm Mr. Foxy! Ah, Pirates! Go ahead, come on!
Yeah, Ramesh!
Ready on it!
Realize it! Oh, this is a good time to read it. Shoot up, money they are feeling. Just my can't even want to rush.
Yeah, just Mo, watch your Mo. Alright,
on the spot. The only spot. Everything a carbon copy. On the spot, original.
From when you move like you're in a competition with me, alright. Outside. You ain't fucking sick.
What's the time for the alive?
Better than for life. Lord of big up.
Oh, this is a good time to read it. Shoot up the cat.
Up here. Never want to drop the mic on it.
But you can be a power with it.
Every day you run panties.
You can't even want to
run panties, you know the boss can say. All the sauce, watch it out. Watch out there. We see a summertime. Watch out, let me be a brother.
Brass.